Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here with some more NASCAR Authentics from the 2019 Wave 5. We're going to do Ryan Newman's Wyndham Rewards number 6 car. Here's the back. Let's take this car out of the box. So here's the hood. And here is Ryan Newman's number 6 car. So in 2019, Newman actually went to Roush and replaced Trevor Bayne and Matt Kenseth because Matt Kenseth was running part-time and Trevor Bayne was also running part-time. So here's the 6. There's Wyndham Rewards. The front is like white, so is the hood. And the sides are like blue. So it becomes like light blue to blue and then the very dark blue. So Wyndham Rewards is like an online thing, like for hotels, like when you do something, I think. Well, some hotels, not all of them. Like, and you see in the commercials, you see Wyndham Rewards on the bottom. So there's Wyndham Rewards, like everywhere on the car. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.